The advantages in hairdressing of embracing Welsh within our area is, from a client perspective, encouraging the use of the language. For example, just basic greetings helps to put a lot of clients at ease, and many clients expect a bilingual service, and I believe that by being able to speak Welsh, it encourages rather clients to come back time and time again, because it gives that more personal point of view and personal service to those clientele. During the academic year, we've had quite a few famous hairdressers come down, but one in particular is Dafydd Rhys Thomas, and he's done many speeches for our students. He's started off with us in MVQ level 1 and then progressed as an apprentice through the levels, and he works for a busy salon in Cardiff now. He's a fantastic ambassador for hairdressing and using his Welsh and his bilingual skills. He's excellent at public speaking, and he's visited us, as I say, on many occasions to encourage the use of the Welsh language within the Welsh hairdressing workplace.